Hello everyone and welcome to the tomb of the gravelord. Before we start, I would like to say that, well, through there is going to be a challenge. I've got 14 flasks, full health, etc, etc. My roll is fast, my armor's okay, but on my PC, my mouse is broken. Like, you need to really hard press some of what's going on. Anyway, do I actually have one? I do have Divine Straightsword. Divine Sunlight Straightsword. So I could use that one, or... no, I could use that to kill some skelly men down here whilst I wait for Nito to come and find me. Anyway, I'll shut up because the cutscene. Look at him. He looks skinny. I said I'd shut up, but there's not really much going on, is there? If it wasn't for the fact he has all of the other dead people attached to him, it'd be scrawny ass giant. And then he gets his cloak of darkness, which is epic. Look at that. Oh, oh my. Right, I'm gonna need to heal, otherwise he's gonna kill me with one of his red things that come from the floor. Hello there. What am I doing? Other than this wrong. I should just slicey dicey these guys. Hi there, Nito. How are you doing? Ow. You're doing in a way that will murder me. Oh, okay, I understand. What a way to start an episode, eh? Instant gravelord. Ow. Oh, is this an explosion? I feel like it might be. It was. A very painful explosion at that. So I'm gonna heal up. That was a well-timed roll. Didn't even do that on purpose. You know, I think this is going a lot better than before. Ow. One more should do it. Did we do it? We killed him. We killed the gravelord. Hey. What is it, bruv? What are you on about? Praise the sun. Now I can take this goddamn maggot off my head. Woo. Emit some thoughts, bitches. Boom. Yeah. See, that is how you meant to start an episode. You get some shit done. Okay. Can I level up? I can. Booyah. Right, so I need to get to 20 intel. Which means I'm going to need to do some grinding before the Four Kings. Which means, I believe, we are going to have to go ahead and... hang on. What souls do we have? Got Priscilla, Gwendolyn, got a Firekeeper soul, which I guess I should use. Okay, we've got Priscilla and Gwendolyn. What other bosses are there? Right, Fighting Shrine to use that Firekeeper soul up. Yeah. My back hurts. Sorry about the complaints, but it's what I do. Plus I can smell, I think, bacon cooking. I'm assuming it's what my brother's having for breakfast this Sunday morning. And my voice, you may have noticed, it's slightly croaky. I can change it so it's slightly less croaky, but then it's just high pitch. So I'm not going to bother. It's probably croaky because I'm mildly dehydrated, because I don't think I'm ill, but I might actually be ill. Ta bro. Still can't speak, eh? Sad times. Super sad times. Oh, I've also got a character that I'm leveling up so that I should hopefully be able to take on Sif, so you'll still get to see that boss fight. Even though I killed it on another character and on this character and it didn't get seen. Okay. What do I need? 65,680 something for one level up. Which means I'm going to need over 120k. Alright, Framp. If I feed you some souls... Hang on, what would you actually be able to make with these? I'm assuming that one's like a magic weapon. And that one is dagger. Or can you make a scythe out of that? I'm not sure. You know what, I'm not gonna bother with you, Frampt. I'm just gonna use this. And this. And this. And even though it's probably less efficient, this. Pop. This isn't gonna be enough, is it? Gosh darn it. Can be nowhere near enough. Whoa, lads all of a proud night. Okay, they only do 3,000, not 8,000. Blumneck, that was gonna be something, that was. Well, it's too late to go back now. So, I guess I need to go do some killing to level up a little bit. Which means, for me, at least, I'm gonna travel without warping the long way. Now I just gotta remember how to get places. Cause we still gotta kill that ting, don't we? By that ting, I obviously mean the bitch of Izalith. Because I said we'd go back. So we're gonna go back. Just gotta, you know, make sure we've got a suitable bow with plenty of arrows. Composite bow. We've got 8 arrows. I don't think that's quite the definition of plenty, but for now it'll do. Man, I really enjoy this. It's such a nice miracle. Boom. Boom. And then of course there is this one, which is less nice, but it's still cool. So, how does one get to that place that I need to go? Oh, we need to kill Seath as well, don't we? I'm gonna lose my 35k souls if I try and kill Seath now. But I can farm some shit from his golems. Level up once. Then depending on how long that takes, we might give Seath a shot. Probably won't make it to Seath. We'll probably fall down his invisibridges. And if we do make it to Seath, we'll probably get thrashed. However, don't mean I ain't gonna try. Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? So, this video is gonna be uploaded for me tomorrow, for you hopefully today, or some point in the past, depending on when you watch it. And if so, then it is one of my friend's birthdays, I believe. Hang on, let me just have a look at my calendar on the wall, make sure I get the correct date. I believe I know which one it is, but I want to be dead on sure. Yep, Monday the 16th. If so, then internet, wish my friend Beth happy birthday. And because it will be her birthday, I can say this because she will hopefully have received it. She has a bracelet that I dyed blue, and that is her present from me. And I hope she enjoys it. Well, I say enjoys it, likes it, because you know, you don't really enjoy bracelets. It's not what you do. Then on the Wednesday, it's different friend's birthday, and he has 2 presents, one of which is nostalgia based, the other is just shite, I'll be honest, but I hope he likes the bants of it. And if you're watching this perchance on the 18th of May. Happy birthday to my friend Will. Next Sniffle Souls will be up on his birthday, probably. After this one, of course. So, that's nice. Not that he watches it, but, you know, he spends his YouTube time with that indie music and stuff, because he's a little bit indie. Just like a smidgen. But, you know, whatever. Each to their own boat that gets floated by different things. Oh, golden one. Hello there, Sieglind. How come it took you so long to get here? Hey, what you doing, bruv? What are you saying? Or is it not Sieglind? I assume it would be Sieglind, but can't be sure. Did I not? I didn't rest it as Bunfire, did I? Means I gotta go back. Oh well. It is Sieglind. Hello there.
It was you who rescued me.
No problem.
Sieglind.
I know.
I don't know how. It wasn't terrible. I must
speak to you again.
Oh, have you seen my father? You wouldn't miss him.
Yes.
Thank goodness. Well then, now I must find him. Now we shall just stay put and keep...
Did I kill him? Or is he still about?
Thank goodness. Well, now we shall just...
Bye, Sieglind. I hope I didn't kill him because I do like the onion bro. Now I have to go rest at a bonfire. Make a couple more trips around here. Bum ba dum bum ba dum bum bum ba ba dum bum ba dum bum. That tune was part of my rendition of the Code Lyoko theme song. It's quite a short theme song. It's less than a minute long, but it's good. It's nice. I realise it's for youths, and I'm not quite a youth of the same target audience level as it's aimed at, but nonetheless, I never watched it all the way through, and it was just on TV occasionally before school when I was like 10. So I decided to watch it all, and I'm like 30 episodes in at the moment, something like that. I was watching it before I started recording this when I was setting up and stuff, and I'll probably be watching it when I start editing, and just pause it whenever I need to do some audio stuff, which is the majority of the editing, to be honest. Ah, fuck. I forgot about you. Roll, roll, roll. Roll, roll, roll your boat gently down the hill, running away from crystal golems because they suck dildos. Not that there's anything wrong with that. If that's what you want to do, that's what you want to do, but no, it's not for me. And I would appreciate it if they didn't try and indoctrinate me into their habits. Okay, so I need like, what, another 20? No, not another 20, like another 12k? And it should only take a couple more rounds of this, I think. Hello there, Crystal Golem. How you doing, bruv? You good? Yeah, you're good. I should probably heal. Right. Hopefully, I'm almost there. These guys don't take much damage from miracles, I have to admit. These guys just take physical damage, but even that is reduced quite a chunk, actually. Ooh, blue titanite chunk, I'm assuming. Haha. See, I'm beginning to learn what happens where and with what here in this game. It's only taken me like 4 years, maybe. That's the point. What came first for me, Dark Souls or Kung Fu? I think it was actually Dark Souls. interesting. Hopefully I'll actually finish Dark Souls before I get a black belt. Because if I don't finish this game in the next, I don't know, 6 years, because that's, I aim to have got my black belt at the end of the 6th or 7th year from now, then I'll be quite disappointed. I know I'm not very good at video games, but if I can't so much as do that, then is there really much point in me playing them? Right. I'm going to call it there, and grind a little bit off cam, because this has got to bore you to death, and I need to get a drink. So, yeah. My name has been James. You've been whatever the hell you're called. I'd like to thank you for watching, and, yeah. Next time, we tackle Seath. I'll catch you cats on the flip-flop. Goodbye.